Let's talk about injection point for SQLi injection. If you have to execute malicious SQLi query against a database server, an attacker must first find an input within the web application that included inside of an SQL query. Basically, you have to find an input parameter that are executing any SQLi query or may execute any SQLi query. SQL injection can be GET based, POST based, header based, even can be cookie based. Let's talk about GET based. There, attacker have to attack through URLs parameter. Like example, attacker have to find something like the any.com having some file name, then there will be some programming language, question mark, the parameter equal to value. So attacker have to attack on the parameter value. So this is called GET based. Now POST based. For POST based SQLi, attacker have to find any HTML form that may execute SQLi query. Now, like form like sign up form, example, sign up form, login form, password reset form, etc. Okay, header based. See, header based, you have to attack through headers parameter such as referrer, user agent, location, host. So you have to attack through this. Okay, so this is called header based SQLi. For cookie based, you have to find cookie parameter. Example, cookie value will be like this. Cookie value will in the header itself. Okay, so cookie colon, there will be some parameter like something username equal to some value, then this. So you have to attack on this field, the username field. This is a cookie this is a cookie field. Okay, so you have to attack through cookie parameter. So the cookie parameter username and the value is this, so you can attack there. So this is called injection point. Now example, let's talk about this now. See, this is a website sgbrrb.org. If you have to find a one SQLi query there, you have to first find injection point. So I have to find some injection point, either post based, GET based, or any based. Okay, so let's try. Let's click on this product and services. I haven't. Okay, let's click on this RTI Act. See, if I'm clicking on RTI Act, I got some of the GET based. See this. So the parameter is PID and the value is 328, and they are displaying the 328 content on the web page. If I'll give a backslash there, see, the page content got hide. So this is a sign of vulnerabilities. Okay, that means this is a vulnerable. This is called a error based vulnerable, you can say. No, not an error based, because in error based you will get an error, but this is not an error based. This is, you can try to execute through union based even, okay, or blind boolean based maybe. That's this. So this way you have to identify the vulnerability. Let's sample this website now, prime.edu. Login.php. See, if I am giving a backslash there, what happened? It giving me the error. So there may be the error based, there may be union based, we don't know. Okay, so it generates some. This is also a sign of vulnerability. This is also symptom of vulnerabilities, how to find vulnerabilities. Now let's sample up this website now. So if you are trying on this website, let's try on this website. So there is a parameter data. If I am giving a backslash here, what happened? So it's giving me the error, the MySQL error. You have an error in your SQL syntax. So this is also a symptom of vulnerabilities, the SQLI vulnerability. So this way we have successfully identified the injection point. Uh, I think you understood the logic of injection point. So I hope it's clear to you.